The Australian First Tech Challenge National Championship was held at Macquarie University in December 2023. This video takes you on a walk through the venue and shows that while matches were in progress, there was plenty of activity in the pit areas and on the practice field.
I'll show you where they are. So they are along with one driver's station. Temple Paro Costa. Temple Paro Costa. Where's that? Temple? That Paro Costa.
Can we get our autonomous jobs up after a backside for the purpose? We could, but just giving a few minutes to see. Yeah, no, do it. I would probably do the same. Yeah, but then what we can also do is go to just forward a bit and get up and go to people.
It's running over the I'm saying that is going to run out
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And I can see all 4 robots moving. Always a great time to start the start of our day. Oh, Dr. Duckling is loading off 2 of their pixels into the backstage area. Dr. Greybacks and Artemis caught up in their area as Artemis passes under the backstage door. Place one of their yellow pixels, looking to make a mosaic with Varga. Just goes to the opposite side there. Unfortunately, they just lost that bit of drawing there. Right into the end game, 5 bits of more time to play pixels. Let's see what they do with it. Oh no, nothing. It's only like another one there. The big mess over here with Red Wings. Artemis. What is a big arm? Well, Savio Gears. Savio Gears looks to be trying to navigate the truss, but the robot looks like a bit too long for the truss. Nicely navigated there with it. Greyback. Just over in the left. Halfway through that. Artemis seemed to have lost the grip on the arm. We'll see what they can do with it. And push that into the 45 seconds left to see
And no, should I really?
It's satisfying.
Transfer is what's like the easy parts go away all the way in. It's like so the gaming conference
Can you unwind like that?
You know what it is? Like, why is it not doing
I know, it's like, what's his name?
Yeah, I'll put that water.
Oh,
We should know.
Emma? My iPad, my phone, and my which were on the table and
Thank you, Dan. You're even better. Thank you. I will pick on I'm just thinking of doing a half show. We'll see what that happens. Hey, I've already done a show with
No, because they've already played 2 matches with a full count. Beck will be the first to speak to. Beck?
Hi.
Alright, let's head on over to qualification match number 37 over here on the closed field. Starting us off with the Red Lions coming from Queensland, we have team 19840, the Ninjaneers. Joining them to round out the Red Lions from South Australia, we have team 22116, Pop-Ups. Over on the Blue Alliance, starting us off over here in Sydney from Pymble Ladies College, we have team 18359, the Robo Ducks. And joining us from Queensland, we have team 18439, Robo Kings Mercury. Alright, let's randomize that field. Drivers, keep your hands away from your controllers. We will go to left. Alright, can I get a thumbs up from our drivers, referees, and timekeeper? Timekeeper. Thumbs up from our timekeeper. Alright, let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go! Movement over here on both alliances. Pop-Ups heading towards their backstage area, looking to place 2 of those pixels on the backdrop. Robo-Ducks just dropped that yellow pixel there. They have scored that purple pixel, but it isn't on the correct spike line there. Purple pixel has scored on the right side for the red lines. That yellow pixel scoring in the backstage. 5 seconds left in the autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And the chaos continues with those bells. The Robo Kings Mercury heading over with a yellow and purple pixel, seeing what they can do with those as their teammates, the Robo Ducks, looking to pick up that purple pixel from the spike strip. Always helpful to pick that one up after the autonomous period. It won't score again, so it's a nice close pixel option for them. Robo Kings Mercury trying to drop 2 pixels in. One of them lands in, one of them lands right in the backstage area. Well, that will still score for them. Pop-ups adding 2 pixels to their stack. I can see 5 pixels on that alliance. A lot of teams overcrowded on the right side of the field. Roboducks seem to be a bit stuck over there as pop-ups head over to grab 2 white pixels. Robo Kings Mercury, their plane's looking a bit loose on their robo. We'll see if they can still fire off. The Ninjaneers trying to get through this gate over here, the stage door, as Robo Kings Mercury let off 2 of those white pixels into their backdrop. Very nicely done. Quite a lot's been happening over here on the red lines. I can count at least 8, 9 pixels there. Very nicely done. Looks like the Robo Kings have unfortunately lost their paper drone there. That'll hinder them in the end game, but it gives them still time to score with pixels instead as they reevaluate their game plan. Very nicely done by the Engineers. 30 seconds left, and that's the start of the end game. Surprisingly, most of our teams are on the close side of the field, not in the position for scoring their planes just quite yet. We'll see what happens. Pop-ups over here, drumming in one of those white pixels. Unfortunately, knocks off a yellow one, looking to shoot their paper drone. We'll see what happens. Very, very nicely done. These guys know their physics, shooting off into that first scoring zone. 5 seconds, almost a second in that zone. 2, 1. From that match have come in, and it's a win for the Red Alliance, winning with a score of 80 to 13. A penalty-less game there, very nicely played. Red Alliance coming on top in all 3 categories. Autonomous driver control and the endgame there. Very nicely done.
Thanks for watching our video. Cheerio from Australia and the pop-ups.